every day average 10 to 15 people asking me, Nazmul bro, supplier, dropshipping is really dead in 2026. So the answer is, I will tell you in within 3 to 4 minutes. Dropshipping is dead or not? What is the future? Okay. So first of all, I will tell you that in 2020, during COVID, dropshipping was $1 million industry. In 2022, it's $1 billion industry. 2025, it's almost $1 trillion industry, and the graph is growing. Okay, and in 2035, sorry, in 2035, it will be a $10 trillion industry, and it's really it's 90% guarantee. Okay, so by these statistics, or by this graph and research, by the numbers you have learned from me, so I have questions to you. Really dropshipping is dead, or right now, or upcoming year? So you already got the answers. Okay, so why? So my first research I have doing last year and yesterday, that within my 5 years experience, I have seen that everything is right now automation. The internet, the business, even a very small physical business, it's also right now a automation system. Why? Because people are becoming lazy day by day, but they are making good money, their job, their business, and the money's currency is every day is growing higher, and they always wants to save their time. They always wants to do small work by doing automation. For example, they can send the payment to the store owner by easily mobile money. So they don't know go to the physically to the shop. No, even the online business is becoming more automation by like within few hours they are getting their products from warehouse to their house. Okay, in the hand. Even if a product has a problem, they can easily take a picture and just keep these products in front of your his house, and the warehouse staff take the product and refund it directly. So everything is now is getting very smooth and more technological. Okay, and technology every day is going higher, and I am very surprised. 10 years ago we don't know about video call, we don't know about like WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook. Okay, but right now every day AI is becoming very fastest and very smart. AI can track everything. So if you can like wants to online shopping, even a pen, so AI is tracking everything. AI will show you that which pen is better for you, which is very suitable for you, and within few hours you can select a good product. So you don't need to go the online market, or sorry, you don't need to go in physically shop in like in local market. No, your time and everything is now saving the online business automation system. Okay, so my friend, another point is I will tell you. uh, 5 years ago, one of my friend told me that online business has no future, but right now I am looking that a farmer, a electrician, a doctor, every lower class, even higher class people, all of people using internet. Without internet, nobody cannot live their life. So why you asking this dropshipping is dead? Even I can tell you, dropshipping is not dead. Other physical business will be dead, dropshipping will be higher. Everything will be like a dropshipping. Everything will be a kind of e-commerce business. A farmer will do e-commerce. His products will go by the drone into the local market, and the customers will take the product by the internet in their house. For example, vegetables, the customer will get easily in their hand within few hours, 1 hour, 2 hours. Just just they will buy from their mobile and the vegetables will come to the house. Yes, this is not it's simple, okay my friend. So everything is now very very internet cable and very very technologically. So my friend, don't hear these fake questions, these useless questions that dropshipping is dead. Dropshipping is higher, my friend. It's growing higher. So you can start dropshipping. You most welcome this sector. If you are living in top class country, US, Europe, Canada, Australia, you most welcome. But in the Asia, India, Pakistan, it has some problem, documents problem, dollar transaction problem. But you can also do if you have partner in the outside of like US, Europe. So you can start dropshipping, no problem. But you have to be expert. Just first gather skills, knowledge, and then come to the sector. Okay, so that's it.